might Dukes of Hazzard this.
Oh, I did that a couple times actually.
A little different than our normal wrenching. Panic, anger, sadness. So we're over here at my cousin's storage unit. He's got a Firebird inside, 1992. It's been a few years since it's been driven. I asked if we could come over here and get it started so that he can start using this storage unit. So that's what we're out here to do today, get the car started so that it's mobile. Start?
Yeah.
All right, so this is what we got.
There it is.
What are you thinking?
A board, something to hold that.
Oh, that the struts are bad. Okay. Yeah. I was wondering what I'd end up using these little ones for. Now I know.
Do we have a multimeter?
No. So I think we're just going to pull that battery out. We're going to hook up the one that I have in the car. And we're just going to twist the key.
Okay. We sure that one's dead?
No. But it's been sitting here forever.
Okay.
I don't know if this is going to fit, but I'm certainly going to try. It's good enough for us to... Right. It's that one that says engine oil.
Oh, right in front of my face.
He said it's the one that says engine oil. I might Dukes of Hazzard this.
First attempt on the key turn.
And here's the fuel pump.
Fuel pump works. trying.
It's trying. It won't.
Come straight.